So in this lecture, we are going to discuss curve fitting and this time the parabolic curve. We'll be using the least square method which we used in the previous lecture. And this is question number 1. We have to fit a second degree curve of regression y on x to the following data. We had written the equation for the second degree curve. Now we have to write the normal equation. In order to write the normal equation, what we have to do is put summation on this equation. We'll get sigma y, and if we add a n times, what will it become? It is na plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Next is multiply this same equation by x and then take summation. This is the trick. So I'm multiplying it. Now take summation. Now multiply the same equation by x square and then take summation. And now I'm taking the sigma sign and this is summation. And this is called now the normal equation, students. We have to use these equations, that is put the values and get the answer, get the values for a, b and c. We'll put these values of a, b, c in the equation of second degree parabola and get the answer. The values for xy given is this. So we need sigma x, we need sigma y, and if you see we need x square also. So we need x square also, we need x cube also. So I'm writing x cube, we need x4 also. So I'm writing x4. And in multiplication part we need xy and we need x square y. For x it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. The corresponding values of y are, and let us do all the calculation now. Similarly x4, similarly xy, and now x square y. Let us take the summation, that is the sigma value, find the sigma value. If we find sigma x, it is coming out to be 10. Sigma y, it is coming out to be 62. Sigma x square, it is coming out to be 30. Sigma x cube, it is coming out to be 100. Similarly, add up all the values of x4, we'll get 354. Add up all the values of xy, we'll get 190. Similarly, add up x square y, we are going to get 644. Let us put all these values in our normal equations. In this equation, put all the values. That is the value of sigma y, xy, x square y, sigma x square. So we are putting the values and getting the equation to be solved for a, b and c. So sigma y is 62 plus 4a plus 10b plus 30c. Similarly xy, sigma xy is 190 is equal to 10a plus 30b plus 100, that is sigma x cube 100c. Now x square y, sigma x square y is equal to 640 plus 30a plus 100c plus 354. This is the value of sigma x to the power 4, so it is 344c. Now we have to solve this equation, students. Go to a calculator, open the equations put the values and get the answer. So once you put the values, you will get the answer. A is 3, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 1. Now I have to write the final answer, that is the curve which I had fitted. So the curve which I had fitted is this curve, y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. I'm going to put it in this curve. Okay, so let us put the values in this curve. Y is equal to a plus bx, and it is so this is the second degree curve which we had fitted for this given data. So this is our best fit for the data given in the question. Now let us move to question number 2. Now in question number 2, we have to fit a second degree parabola, and this is to be fitted in the following data. Equation of second degree parabola is this. Let us write the normal equations which we had discussed just now. That is, put the sigma sign in this. So we have sigma y is equal to, when a is added n times, it is na. Now multiply this by x. So we have xy is equal to ax. Take sigma on both the sides. Now multiply it by x square take sigma on both the sides. This is the normal equation. Now go to the given data, find the value of x square, then x cube is needed, then x4 and xy, which is needed in the second equation, similarly x square y. Do all sort of calculation. The question is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the corresponding value of y and x square. Then x cube also. So this is x square, this is x cube, and this is x4. And we may discard this term. It is 16. Now find xy also. And x square y. Okay, right. Now we need to find the sigma value of x, which is again coming out to be 10. Sigma y is coming out to be 60. Sigma x square is 30. X cube is coming out to be 100. X4 is coming out to be 354. Xy is coming out to be 195, and x square y is coming out to be 677. We are going to put the values in the normal equations, which are normal equation. These are the normal equations which we had found. So let us put the values in the normal equation. What is the value of sigma xy? It is 195, so it is 10a plus 30c. B 100c. What is the value of sigma x square y? It is 677 plus 30a plus 100b plus 354c. Now again you may use your calculator and solve this equation to get the values of a, b and c. So when we solve this, we'll get a is 1.2, b as 1.1 and c as 1.5. Substitute these values. Where do we have to substitute this? We have to substitute this in this equation, y is equal to a plus bx plus 6cx square, because this is the required equation. And on putting the values, we'll get, and this is the required equation of the second degree parabola or the parabolic curve, which is required in the question to fit in this given data. This is our best fit, and this will be the answer. Similarly, students, when we are required to fit a third degree equation, so we have to fit a third degree, or you may say fourth degree, write it as fourth degree equation. What will you do? You'll take the equation as, say, a plus bx plus cx square. Since it is 4 degree, we are going to write till this. Write the normal equation as I told in this video. So the normal equations will be sigma y na b sigma x plus c sigma x square plus d sigma x cube plus e sigma x4, and similarly we have xy, similarly we have x square y, and then you will have to go to x cube y. When the equation is of, say, degree 2, we had 3 equations. When the equation is of degree 4, the normal equation will go till 5. So you have to go till 5. So it is x4y. So write this equation, solve the question, and let me know if you're finding any problem in the chat.